Welcome to Boss Lady Beauty Corner, your one-stop shop for all your beauty and hair needs. Located at number 8, Garth Road in Pomona, Harare, just close to Semi-Levi Village, we offer professional hair installation, expert makeup services, and a full-service barbershop, all under one roof. At Boss Lady Beauty Corner, our talented team is dedicated to making you look and feel your absolute best. Whether you're seeking a fresh new hairstyle, flawless makeup, a clean shave, or the perfect pair of pajamas, we've got you covered. Stop by our conveniently located salon on Garth Road today and let us enhance your natural beauty. We can't wait to serve you. To schedule an appointment or learn more about our offerings, give us a call at +263 772 687 119 or +263 71 389 2974. You can find us on Instagram at Boss Lady Beauty Corner and on Facebook at Boss Lady Beauty Corner.